Event management just got smarter. You can now ask for details like dietary preferences right when attendees register. You asked. We built it. One of our most requested features, now part of your workflow. Let's look how this new feature works. Here we are on an event page. Edit your event to add extra questions. On the event form, scroll below. Below the event, you can request attendees to fill in more information. You have the possibility to add up to 10 extra questions. Select multiple choice for questions with a fixed list of answers. Choose a text field for short answer questions. Or choose a text area when you want attendees to provide more detailed information. When you are ready, save the event page including all the extra questions. Did you afterwards make changes to event? Decide if you want to inform the participants and explain what has changed. During sign-up, attendees will now be asked to answer additional questions. All within a pop-up, seamlessly integrated into the registration flow. The extra questions are also available in public event registration forms. Smarter event management, now available for all events.